In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect tasks to contacts in Notion as part of setting up your CRM. This process can truly enhance your organizational workflow by seamlessly linking your tasks directly to the contacts they relate to, allowing you a more integrated experience. So let's dive in and get your Notion workspace functioning as a powerhouse CRM. First, we begin by creating the foundation of our system, the databases. We're going to start with the contacts database. In this database, you'll want to include essential personal information about your contacts. Some key pieces of information to track would be the contact name, their email address, and the company they are associated with. These fields will help you keep this information centralized and easy to access whenever you need it. Once you've got your contacts database set up, it's time to move on to the next component, the tasks database. Here, you'll set up fields such as task name, where you specify what the task entails, the due date, which helps keep you on track with your deadlines, and the status of each task, be it not started, in progress, or completed. Setting up your databases like this helps maintain clarity and ensures all relevant details are at your fingertips. Now that our databases are established, the next step involves linking them together to reflect their interconnectedness. To do this, we're going to utilize the relation property within the task database to create a direct connection to the contacts database. So go ahead and open your task database. Once you're in, you'll want to add a new property. Set the property type to relation. You should see an option that asks you to choose the database you wish to link to. In this case, select your contacts database. This relationship allows each task to be associated with a specific contact, thus creating a direct line between the work you do and the people for whom or with whom you're doing it. With the relation property in place, it's time to link each of your tasks to the relevant contact. This is a straightforward process. In the task database, as you create or update tasks, you'll see the new relation field you just created. Click on this field to select the appropriate contact for each task. This simple connection now enhances the functionality of your Notion workspace by ensuring every task clearly reflects which contact it pertains to, making it easier to manage your workflow. By following these steps, you're setting up a dynamic CRM system within Notion. This system doesn't just keep your tasks and contacts organized, it also enhances your ability to track projects and nurture valuable relationships effortlessly. As you continue to utilize this setup, you'll likely notice improved efficiency and a heightened sense of control over your various engagements. Happy organizing and enjoy the seamless productivity.